Okay, guys, I'm gonna do a toolbox tour or tool cart tour of my new tool cart. I've had it for a little over a week, and we'll start out with this. This is not supposed to be here. This is supposed to be down right here, and the handle is right here. That's supposed to go right there, but I didn't really want the handle on there, so I just put this thing up here. And first I have is this little, says Super Drum of Tools, and it just has a bunch of little screwdrivers, some Harbor Freight drill bits, Harbor Freight magnetic holder. I have my tire repair tools in there. I have some of my little screwdrivers, which those also came from Harbor Freight, and they're actually nice. This tool chest came from Harbor Freight, and it was nice. You know, these are the other screwdrivers that came in the set with these. And my Phillips, my flat, my little bit screwdriver that you can take the other bits out of. A Stanley tape measure, little coin thing. Ratchet, 3/8, half-inch breaker bar, 3/8 speed T, 3/8 breaker bar. Oh, I forgot to put this back. My 3/8 Stanley ratchet. My Wiseco rings for my tuner decks, but I already put them in. Tuner decks, exhaust gaskets, some grommets and some random shit. A magnet. Some bits and grinding wheels. Needle nose. Some paper towels to cover up motors or something. Square bit. Torx. A Pittsburgh tool set. It's pretty nice. Metric, sorry guys, it's cold. Metric nut and bolt assortment. Metric wrenches. Standard and just random shit. Wrenches. My hammer and punch and chisel drawer. Oh. My pliers. My sockets. I have something I want to show you guys. There's these little clips that you have to pull on. I didn't like them at first, but I kind of like them now. I think it's cool. The only complaint I have with this whole box is this lock. This lock don't work very well sometimes. So, and when this hood is closed, it pushes down on these, and that locks the whole box. So when you have this little top thing down and this locked, you can't open the drawers because these are locked. And oh, I think I forgot my picks, but these are Harbor Freight picks too. And this big half-inch breaker bar is from Harbor Freight also. Stanley tool set I got for $7 at yard sale. Couple pliers, Dremel 100. This is my Stanley tool set. I forgot to put that ratchet back in. But it's a pretty nice tool set. Well, I think the reason why the guy was selling it is because won't focus, but 6mm is all fucked up. So and well, that's my about a week review, and I like it. I think it's a really nice tool cart. The other thing I'm going to say now is it don't look too good on camera. It looks a whole lot better in person. The green is a whole lot brighter, and in this it don't look that good on camera, but it looks better in real life. Well, if you guys thought about getting a 5-drawer tool cart from Harbor Freight, it's the U.S. General. It's pretty nice. I like it. They have really big casters on it, which that's that's good. I'm glad that they put the oversized casters on it than weak casters, but yeah. We'll see you guys later.